Welcome to The Price is Right, another fun game. This one is all about the construction site of hundreds and 500s and just the main jackpot, what you would want to see. They said it represents, people that like work at gold mines and things like that, digging up money, digging up gold. Anyways, so how today is going to work. This is The Price is Right, guys. If you're not familiar with this game, whatever comes off does not recycle. It doesn't come off and I get to grab it. I only have a half a bucket full of quarters. After I go through that, it's done. What my goal is to do, and the only way I can win anything on today's game, is I have to knock off at least the Bitcoin pin. If the Bitcoin pin comes off, I get to keep the cash that's in the field. If everything comes down, I get those extra $2,000 that's on top of there. But it has to happen within the parameters, the time. Now, this is a pretty cool setup. You got the keychains, kind of like the hammer thing or whatever you want to say, the ball. But we're going to go ahead and get started, guys. It's probably going to be a quick game. Plinko is not in play. It was just way too much because today cost me $2,500, and there is a possibility that I win $0 back. Zero if nothing falls. Traditionally, the only chance, I think that thing's going to go right around that ball. Man, that's it. There's the first cup down, guys. It's made its way around back over there, and it's not looking too promising that that ball is going to do much of anything. So then, if those two things get passed up, we just got to knock the tower down. He told me, if anything, if those hundreds come down, they're playable, they're winnable. So there's an extra $200. And that is all for cup 2. We were working on cup 3. My goodness gracious. Not a lot of cups left, guys. Oh, something I did forget. If the tower does not fall and it stays standing at the end, I can play this one more time for only $500 instead of $2,500. So that'll put us $3,000 involved. I forgot that one particular point. And they said if it does it again, I can do it for $250, $2,500, $500, and then $250. If I want to play that long. It won't be on this video. That's a separate video. unfortunately, we're almost out of quarters. Alright guys, unfortunately this is the last cup. This is it. Not real excited about this. We're going to give it everything. Oh, it's starting to move up a little bit. That's what we need. Oh, and I think it's starting to come out at the bottom. Come on, baby, come on. Come on, please. Unfortunately, guys, this is the last handful of quarters. I don't think we got it. Oh! Well, guys, that is it. Unfortunately, we did not get part one. Negative $2,500. I could have picked a better time to lose that amount of money. I'm gonna do it again, guys. So stay tuned. This will be a weekend video, so I'll have it come out back to back. But let's do it again, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, at least the effort or the coolness. If you like the playing field, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed or following the page, I'd love to have you do that. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend, and the second attempt of this will be out soon. All right, guys. Have a good one.